Hello, this is the third in the series of short videos on personal child logins. In this one, I'll show you how to use the planner to share resources into lessons with custom groups. So I've got a subject here, multiplication, and I've chosen that because it's got a mix on the page of main site resources that are downloadable and Twinkl Go resources that you stream. So let's drag this resource to the planner and I'll create a lesson. Just make sure that's in the right place. Multiplication circles. So I'm going to share this with circles group. Click the pencil to confirm that. I'll close that again and then I'm going to choose this game, differentiate colour by multiplication worksheet, drag that across, but this time put it on the lesson that I've just created. So now there are two resources in there and this one in there. I'm just going to close the planner so that I can get to this resource. So now in multiplication circles lesson there are 4 resources in there. I double click the pencil this time and now I can allocate it to a particular group. So because I want it to go to circles, I'll click circles, and if I want a description in there I can write a description, but I'm actually going to do that later. So just make sure that's updated, which it is, and I'll scroll down and I'm going to manage that lesson. Now I don't have to go to manage the lesson because as soon as I've shared that with the group they'll get that immediately, but I'm just going to check that that's taken. Okay, so that's not taken, so let's show you another way of allocating it to groups. So when you're in the My Lessons area, then you click the pencil and this allows you to do the same thing. So I'll click circles and I'll also give it a description, do this. You can make up a more pertinent description if you want. Save lessons. And then there you see that shared with circles group, but if I wanted to share it with other groups I could do. So I want to share it with circles and I want to share it with, so let's click circles and just scroll down a bit. I want to share it with group 6 as well. So I'll save the lesson and then here you see it's shared with both those groups. So any child who's a member of circles group or group 6 will get that lesson amongst all the other lessons that they've already got. In the next video I'll show you what that looks like if you're a child signing